cleaning, painting, and decluttering. These are the three things that are going to give you the biggest bang for your buck. I'm Scott Wurzbacher. I am a realtor in Charlotte, North Carolina. The market is slowing down a little bit, and getting your house ready for the market has always been an important factor. But over the last couple of years, homes have been really selling quickly because of low inventory. But I think as we kind of get into a little bit more of a balanced market, it's going to be that much more important that people don't skip steps and they make sure that they take the time that they need to take to get the house properly ready, because supply and demand is kind of coming back into balance now, and I think it's going to take a little bit longer for people to sell their homes than it was over the last couple of years. And so, again, getting your house ready for market is going to be a lot more critical over the next couple of years than it had been in the last year or two. The home selling process is incredibly stressful, and anything you can do to eliminate stress or reduce the amount of stress is going to just help take away some of that burden from the homeowner, right? So it might just be one little thing in the process, but if we can simplify the ability for somebody to be able to clean their house out and get it ready for market, it just removes one more hurdle to getting your home ready. I think the Marie Kondo revolution has been good. And HGTV, I mean, we want people's homes to show as best as possible. And when you're getting a house ready for market, when you're staging a home, like less is better. The places where you're going to get the biggest bang for your buck are cleaning, painting, and decluttering, right? You can make the improvements. You can update your kitchen. You can update your bathroom. Those are expensive things that you may or may not get your return on depending on, the condition. I mean, if your kitchen hasn't been renovated in 40 years, you might want to look at that. The places where you're going to get the biggest bang for your buck are cleaning, decluttering, and painting. Cleaning out their house might be the reason why they don't list the house sooner rather than later. Over the years, people accumulate a lot of stuff, and yeah, sure, you can pack up your SUV and take it to the dump, and you can take it to Goodwill, and you can do all that, or you can have been there, dump that, bring you a dumpster, and it's essentially door-to-door service. Been there, dump that has been a great resource for us as we help our clients kind of get their houses ready to go on the market. Tremendous service for us to help facilitate that process. That's super important to us, is that we're working with reliable people that we can trust and count on. We work with Miller Bell, and he is incredible. We've known Miller for, I'm thinking at least 15 years. And he's just a great guy, super reliable, and we've had nothing but great experiences with him. We want to be able to just make a quick call and know that the dumpster is going to be delivered on time, as promised. It's going to be there when we expect it to be there. It's going to get picked up when it's expected to get picked up. We want a simple process that works and there's no hiccups along the way. In terms of trends, I mean, I think that clean look is always, it's classic, right? A clean, decluttered house is never goes out of style.